Let's quickly talk about Relay Business Banking, and so this will be a review of this institution, this fintech, if you will. Big question is, can you really rely on Relay Business Banking this year to further your business, to actually find a bank for your small business or for yourself as a solopreneur, as a freelancer, for instance. So Relay is actually a digital business banking platform tailored for small business owners. In other words, this is a fintech that actually targets business owners. Okay, so Relay actually wants to provide financial clarity and control without the burdens of traditional bank fees. And so, with features designed to simplify cash flow management, Relay actually offers up to 20 checking accounts. That's pretty good. Up to 20 checking accounts. Okay, you have savings accounts with competitive APY, so APY account annual percentage yield. Okay, and both physical and virtual cards for actually for team use. So if you want to get a card for, if you want to get several, if you want to get several cards for your team, Relay can actually help you big time. Also, what one thing you will love with Relay is that the company also provides integrations with popular bookkeeping software like QuickBooks, Zero, and Wave, and so on and so forth. Okay. So basically, Relay's target customers are small business owners. I've said this before, but I want to say it again. This is actually their core niche. So small business owners, but also solopreneurs, also freelancers, for instance. Okay. So the thing is, if you are a small business owner and you want to, you need to, let's say, if you need cash flow management tools, automated savings, okay, and you are thinking about even expense tracking products, you can look at a platform such as Relay, okay. And so by prioritizing features that empower small businesses, Relay creates a financial command center. That's how they call it for you if you are looking to streamline operations and gain transparency into your cash flow. So the thing is, you are looking for clarity, you're looking for transparency, you're looking for accountability. Okay, so basically, Relay Business Banking can really give you all those things at once. So if you think about the Relay Business Banking, what are the features you need to pay attention to? And then I'll speak to you about the pricing. So the features, the thing is that Relay offers two main account types. You have Relay and Relay Pro. I mean, they used to call it Relay Basic, but nowadays they removed the basic, so it's Relay, simply Relay. That's the standard account, and the Relay Pro, which is actually the top tier account. Okay, and so the reason why they have that is because they looked at their customer base and they want to really design products that meet different needs for business banking. So, like I said, the relay is for simple banking, and Relay Pro is if you want to really beef up a little bit your banking. Okay. In terms of features, if you go with Relay Business Banking this year, you will have multi-account feature. I spoke to you earlier about the fact that you can actually get up to 20 individual checking accounts and two savings accounts. So that's really good. Okay. So the reason why you want to have individual checking accounts is that you want to, as a business owner, you might need to segment funds for payroll, expenses, taxes, and more. You also have cards. So basically, if you sign up with Relay, you actually get the physical and virtual debit cards for team use. Relay Pro also offers 1.5% cash back on credit card spending. You also have automated transfers and allocations. So you can set percentage based or dollar based transfer rules to automatically allocate funds across different accounts. This helps businesses such as yours reach goals like saving for taxes or managing payroll. You have integrations. I've said this before. You have integrations to platforms like QuickBooks, Online, Zero, Gusto, and other popular bookkeeping software. You also have expense management, so Relay supports receipt capture, SMS reminders for receipts, and cleans up vendor names for easy tracking. So your team member actually will be happy too because They can upload receipts via desktop, mobile, or email. And you also have accounts payable. So accounts payable, this feature is only available on the Relay Pro tier. So Relay Pro includes accounts payable tools, including auto importing bills from QuickBooks, multi-step approval rules for bill payments, and consolidated payments for vendors. So that's really cool. Let me talk to you about account types and pricing. So basically, if you think about Relay Pro, Relay Business Banking, like I said before, you have two types of accounts, right? But you have to really ask yourself what accounts does your business need. So really basic business banking accounts have no monthly fees and a range of essential banking features. So there are no charges for account maintenance, overdrafts, or minimum balances, okay? And like I said before, you can open up to 20 checking accounts and 2 savings accounts with competitive APY rates from 1% to 3%. So for transactions, Relay supports ACH transfers, wire payments, and mobile check deposits, as well as cash withdrawals at Allpoint ATMs and cash deposits at Allpoint Plus ATMs and Green Dot network locations. Now, transaction fees are straightforward with a $5 fee for outgoing domestic wire. So that's kind of cool. Outgoing domestic wires will actually come at a $5 fee, while incoming domestic wires are free. Outgoing international wires cost $10. There is no charge for incoming international wires, okay? So you always have to pay if you have to send out money, but not to receive it. And so generally, Relay's basic accounts offer clear, predictable costs for businesses actually managing both domestic and international transactions. So you got to really ask yourself where your business is situated. Okay. Now, really, that's for really the basic Relay account, right? No charges, like every single month. There's no recurring charge. Now, Relay Pro is actually available with a monthly fee starting at $30 per business. The Pro accounts expand on Relay's core offerings. So Relay Pro includes same-day ACH transfers and free outgoing wires, making it ideal for businesses with frequent or urgent payment needs. And these accounts also include accounts payable tools, right? So for time and accountant if you are, let's say, if you handle multiple accounts, Relay Pro provides role-based access to enable better management and security across various accounts, okay? And Relay's tiered approach lets small business owners find a banking solution that aligns with their needs, whether it's a fee-free basic banking or advanced financial management tools like Relay Pro. Let me talk to you now about the pros and cons. So we're still talking about Relay business banking, okay? And I first want to talk to you about the advantages of this platform, and then I'll just delve into the disadvantages. So if you think about Relay business banking this year, the pros include a monthly fee-free base plan, no minimum balance requirements, multiple checking accounts and debit cards, payment processor and bookkeeping integrations, enhanced FDIC coverage, and you have 24/7 customer support. So even though Relay is actually a fintech platform, they still have live customer support. You can speak to a live human being. You can speak to a human being. Okay, that's really good. And the fact that they offer this 24/7, 365 is really good. This is really good. So if you need assistance as a customer, Relay will actually take care of you. Not a problem. Now, in terms of the monthly fee-free base plan, that's the Relay base plan, though. So this is totally free of monthly maintenance fees. So you can access essential banking features without extra cost, okay? This is particularly beneficial for you if you are a startup founder or you are a business owner looking to reduce overhead costs. And the fact that there are no minimum balance requirements is kind of cool too, because this kind of flexibility is great for your business if you experience fluctuating cash flows, and this is especially helpful during early growth stages or lean months. You also have multiple checking accounts and debit cards. I said this a little earlier. You have 20 checking accounts and two savings accounts. Okay. So, by the way, you can also request up to 50 physical or virtual Visa debit cards for team members. And you also have payment processing. So you have payment processor and bookkeeping integrations. So Relay integrates with widely used accounting software like Xero, like Wave, like QuickBooks Online. It also works with online payment processors such as Stripe, Square, and PayPal. Okay, and this helps your business manage income streams from multiple platforms in one place. Okay, and also when I say when I said enhanced FDI coverage, basically Relay Banking has a partnership with a Thread Bank. So Thread Bank is FDIC insured. Okay, and so they also offer a deposit sweep program that allows them to guarantee customers FDIC insurance coverage for deposits up to $3 million. So this kind of protection is significantly higher than the standard $250,000 offered by traditional banks. So those are the pros, right? Now let's talk about the cons here. If you think about the Relay Business Banking, the first disadvantage is that you have no physical branches, no lending or business credit card products. Accounts payable and faster ACH payments require a paid plan. That's actually the Relay Pro. You have delayed mobile check deposits, limited customer service responsiveness, okay, account freezing and limited communication, and also unclear resolution timelines. So the thing is that when I speak about resolution timelines, the Relay's communication around issue resolution can be inconsistent, causing frustration actually for users who need urgent access to funds. So if you need access to funds and you're having a problem, whatever, they just freezing your account. That's really that has actually had had a lot of people pissed in the past. Okay, so let's go back to the no physical branch sort of disadvantage, and that's true. I mean, if you have a fintech such as Novo Bank or Relay or Bluevine or Mercury, you're speaking about fintechs, right? So basically, you can't really expect physical branches for in-person banking. So while this digital-only approach that Relay has suits many tech-savvy entrepreneurs, it could be a drawback for you if you prefer face-to-face interactions or need in-person services. So without in-person options, you may experience significant, if you experience significant issues, you may find it challenging to receive the assistance that you need promptly. And also talk about the fact that there is no lending or business credit card products, right? Unlike Bluevine, for instance, or unlike other products, other providers on the market, who actually, I mean, if you think about Bluevine, for instance, Bluevine actually offers business lines of credits, okay, and they also offer, by the way, in some cases, business credit card, but Relay doesn't have that. And also, while the free base plan covers essential banking needs, advanced features like accounts payable management and faster ACH payments are only available with the paid Relay Pro plan. So something to really remember here. And you also have the fact that you have delayed mobile check deposits. So Relay's mobile check deposit feature can take up to 7 business days. And this delay, if you think about it, may affect cash flow, especially for businesses that rely on quick access to check payments. So let me talk to you about the target audience here. If you think about Relay Business Banking, I mean, you have a variety of fintechs in the industry right now, okay? So Relay is not the only one. So you got to really ask yourself, what's the target audience? Well, if you think about it, Relay is for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and freelancers who actually love the fact that they actually prioritize digital banking and understands the pros and cons of digital banking. Okay, so if you are looking for a digital first bank approach, go to a provider such as Relay. So with features including multiple checking accounts, integrated expense management, and comprehensive software integrations, Relay actually does something very good because what it does, it really offers a significant advantages for tech savvy business owners. And this is an important element to really keep in mind, okay? And Relay is a fee-free basic plan and high FDIC coverage make it particularly attractive for startups and growing businesses, especially if you want to, if you're looking for a high FDIC insurance amount, because Relay is giving you a $3 million coverage, okay? But you have to understand that that's really what the Relay business banking is actually good for. But if you're looking for a let's say a bank with physical branches, or you want to have lending options available to you, or you want to have like impeccable customer service 24/7, then you would just it's just better to go with another provider, especially because Relay is still actually polishing its offer in those departments. Okay, so in the end, if you think about Relay business banking, I can really assure you that this is the company is safe, the company is legit, the company has been around for a while now. Okay, so Relay can be a reliable choice for business banking. Okay, but as long as you've thought about your needs, you've thought through your needs, and see that Relay is offering exactly what you want in a business in a business bank, that's kind of cool. Okay, that's really cool from a flexibility point of view. And also, one thing I want to say is that Relay actually has the FDIC insurance coverage that goes all the way to $3 million through that partnership with Thread. So that's pretty good too. That gives you that gives you a lot of peace of mind. So that's really cool. And one thing I also want to say is that just remember that Relay is not a bank. Relay is a fintech. Okay, Relay is a fintech that partners with a fully chartered bank to offer banking services. And in this case, the partner bank is Thread. I think I've said this before. It's Thread. Okay, that's how they are able to offer up to $3 million. So Relay actually allows you as a customer to receive a high tech, fee free, secure banking experience all year long. Okay, but you have to really understand that at the end of the day, you got to really ask yourself if the kind of services that Relay is offering is actually what you need. Okay, because in terms of security, in terms of financial guarantee, you are safe because I mean through the partnership with Thread Bank, you are getting insurance, and Thread Bank is not a newbie. I mean, Relay may be a newbie in the banking space, but Thread Bank is a well-established financial institution founded in 1906. So that's more than 1 century ago. So you have a proven track record that you can count on. So that's really important to really mention. Anytime you are thinking about choosing a bank for your business, to make sure that you are actually choosing stability first and then something else later. So here's an epilogue into this conversation. I spoke to you about Relay Business Banking. This was a review of the platform. I gave you some information about some overview about the platform, the features to really pay attention to, the pricing, the pros and cons. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.